Hello guys and welcome to another Scratch tutorial video. Woo! So before this video starts, I'm just going to say what happened here. We got 64 views on the first video. That is really big for me. Thank you guys. Thank you. So, just saying again, this overviews this. I got 7 subscribers out of this video. That's insane for me, so thank you guys. 54 views first 9 days. That is huge. Okay, let's get back onto the video. So, I named it One Night at TCGT, which why I said that is the Chase Gamer TY. So it's just short. So we're gonna go to choose a sprite, we're gonna paint it, gonna grab a square, turn it black right here, try to fill the whole screen. And you can do this with whatever color, I'm just gonna use black. So, and then we're gonna do 2 costumes. So duplicate that costume, name this costume Warning, because this is gonna be warning. Go to red, pick curly for warning. There we go. Wait. There we go. Warning. This game. I will be back in a second. I'm just going to finish this like this. So, I just warped, and there it is. This game will have scary moments, so play if you dare. It's just a fun little warning thing. Put it right there so everyone can see. And now, we will put some code in it. When this flag is clicked, switch costume to warning. And then go down, wait 3 seconds, switch costume to costume 2, which is going to be the starting of the game. So, I'm sorry, I have to have this because, like, I don't want to lose track of time. So, let's say 1. Oh, I don't want curly. Put it on pixel if you want to. 1 night at TCGT. So there we go, One Night at TCG. I don't know what I should look like. I will be back in a second. I'm just going to make the character. So go to paint and make whoever you want out of me. So ready? Boom. So I just finished my guy. I put it's whoa, what the heck happened? Well, let's put him in front. Wait, no, wait. Go from there. Did not end so very well. So let's just put him in the corner. Super scary. You guys can copy this picture if you want, so just pause the video if you want to. But let's get on with the code. So when I received one flag clicked, sorry. Show, and then that's kind of, I'm not going to do the flickering with this guy because that's probably going to be a lot of work. But now let's start on the button, the start button, so we can change the screen. So let's do red. Leave in the comments if this guy's scary, because he's kind of freaking me out. So, let's just make the red button and say, start if you dare. If you dare. So I know I've been posting a lot, so I'm just going to give you a little time to do this, and then leave in the comments if you're ready to do part 2 of this clicker game. Now I got the clicker game stuck in my head. Come on. Well, there we go. Start if you dare. And then, when flag clicked, I'm just going to say go to front layer and show, and then go back to events. When sprite clicked, go to events again, broadcast newspaper. I'm going to do like when you read in the newspaper, like, hey, there's a job open and stuff, so, and then hide, and then I'm going to tell this guy if when he receives newspaper, you should hide, and then grab this if he receives newspaper. So let's try it out. Oh shoot, I forgot. What am I doing wrong? Hey, give me a second, okay? I'm so sorry. I know what I did wrong. So, one flag clicked, I have to do show, and then I have to broadcast menu. So, when this guy receives menu show, and when flag clicked hide, when flag clicked, I'm going to switch, go front layer, when flag clicked hide. So when I try this, warning, this game is scary movements, so play if you dare. And then boom, and when you press that, it turns into this. And then that, I think I have time to make the office. Just the office, not anything else. So go to paint, go to bitmap, change it. Oh shoot, no, I'm so dumb. Okay, I need to do something. Give me 1 sec. Well, I'm sorry for being an idiot. I just needed to do the newspaper, looking for a night guard, for the arcade, TCGT arcade and fun, 500 each day. I'm so sorry. And, when flag clicked, hide, when I receive newspaper, show, and yeah, let's see what we have accomplished today. Warning, this game will have scary moments in play if you dare. One night at TCGT. Start, and then you see that, and then the next video it's gonna hide, and then we're gonna do the office. And then we're gonna try to do the cameras. So thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, and please share. If I hit 25 subscribers, I will do way more of Five Nights at Freddy's. So stay tuned for more. See ya and peace.